Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. I am switching it up and doing something different. Today I'm doing a try-on haul from one of my favorite department stores in Macy's by the name of Alfani. I used to work at Macy's in high school and one of my favorite brands were INC and Alfani. They have very nice upscale clothing. I wanted to get some nice clothing and I did a little bit of shopping. Now if you've been watching me, you know I love to save my coin. Okay, I only spent $10 on most of these items and they were originally $100. Yes, y'all know I love to save my coin, so I picked up a few things. And just to give you a little bit of a description of my body frame, I'm a size 8 pants and almost in a 6, which I'm very proud of, and a medium top. I've lost quite a bit of weight. I'm 160 pounds currently and I am 6 feet tall, or 5'11" and 3/4, but we're just gonna say 6 feet to keep it simple, okay? So I'm about 6 feet tall. Don't have a huge butt or anything like that, okay? I'm a little bit on the flat side, but you know, it's enough, okay? It's enough. And so I just wanted to try these clothes on with you guys, just to give you an idea of some trends that you can bring into your wardrobe for 2020, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. I also got 2 pair of shoes in a size 12. I cheated. I just opened up the clothes, but I cheated and I tried on the shoes. They don't fit. I wear a size 12, okay? It goes with the height, size 12 shoe, you know, 6 feet tall, that goes together, and they didn't quite fit. So I will say that the shoes do run pretty small, but I'll try them out for you guys or show them to you so you can see them. All right, so check out Macy's sale. It is amazing. I have the links down below so you can check out their sale. Let me go ahead and get started. So the first item I'm going to try on is this sweater in this rusty color. I love the feel of this sweater. It is so soft. Alfani has some really high quality fabric, so check them out. This is the size medium and it was originally $79.50 and I got this for $10. I couldn't believe it. This is the design. This is the design on the bottom, okay? So it's meant to fit pretty loose. So I'm going to try this on first and leave the black pants on with it. Alright, so this fits beautifully. I love it so much. What drew me to this shirt was the color, and then the design was really nice on both sides. I thought that would be beautiful. You can definitely tuck it in a little bit just to give it a little bit of a trendier look, and pair it with a pair of boots, whether they be knee boots or they be over the knee. You can even wear a flat shoe with this and it will look just as hot. I love this look so much. It's so cute, right? So I'll be trying on another one of the sweaters. I'm going to do the pink one with the black design on it. I thought this was very abstract. I see the Picasso sort of look is starting to pop back up on clothing, and I thought that that matched the motif of what I'm going for today. So I'm going to try that one on next. So this shirt is kind of giving me grandma vibes. I like it, but I do feel like it's a little old lady-ish, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a smidget, you know? But I think if you like try to tuck it in a little bit, it might youthen it up just a bit. Just a bit. Yeah, I mean, that works. You know, that trick definitely works to make everything look trendy. Just tuck it in and you're good to go. And so I don't know if that necessarily works for this, but I think it's still a cute shirt. It's still $10. It still was a $70 steal, and I'm here for that. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing this, grandma or not. You're gonna get this sweater at my job, you know. So I like it a lot. The fabric is not as soft as the other one. It's a little bit more just sweaterish, you know. I don't know if that's a word, but it's more sweatery. It's a nice shirt though. It looks cute. I think that this would be nice with the black leather dress tucked in, just to accentuate the waist and make it look a little bit more cute, just to dress it up a little bit better instead of with the black pants, which I'm still here for. Nonetheless, I do like it still, so we're going to keep this. We will not be returning this, and I do like that it fits my sleeves for the most part. Again, I'm 6 feet tall, so it's kind of hard to hit them sleeves sometimes, so it's just about there. It's just about there, so I do like that. So this is a go for me. I'll be keeping it, grandma or not. So next, I'm going to be trying on this maroon one. Listen, this one almost got me for every color. It's very nice. It was in like a cream color, a black color, and I may go back and get it because they still had a few left. And it had these really cute, like, look at this. That's my language. I love like glam. And so it has these really cute rhinestones hanging from it. Again, a size medium, really thick quality sweater. I mean, it is thick. Like the quality in this is amazing. I want to take these to the dishwasher. I want to take these to the dry cleaners. This shirt was $99.50. Okay, it's $100 sweater. I got this bad boy for $10. I mean, come on, come on. Would you not? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? I had to. So it was cute. It was nice, and I knew Alfani was it. So I'm gonna go back and buy more of these if there are any. I don't care if it's a small. I'm gonna buy it. So I'm going to try this one on next. Super cute. I think this is gonna be a yes. I hope so. All right, let's change. All right, so this is sweater number 3. Definitely a go. Super soft. $10, y'all. This is a medium again, and it's supposed to be a long sleeve, but I am 6 feet tall again. And this is life as a tall person. You just pull it up a little bit and bam, there you go. You know, I'm used to it. You make it work. It still looks good. It has a little bit of wrinkles in it, so that's why you're seeing these lines in it. But I love this. Give me some glam. Give me some sparkle. I love that. It's really cute. Very nice. Very thick. I love how thick this is. Nice quality. Alfani will not lead you astray. I know it's almost summertime, but you know, I love to rack up on fall or winter clothes at this time, especially high quality like Alfani. So I'm going to be putting these things up for the winter time, and hopefully I'll be the same size next year. This is really cute. I got the maroon one, or burgundy, because it made the rhinestones on the sleeve pop out more. This is a Chanel shirt, honey, okay? I love this kind of look, especially for work. Keep it cute, but keep it, you know, sophisticated and really professional. So the next shirt I'm going to try on is the last sweater. It's this black one. It has some holes through it. It won't reveal anything crazy, but I thought this was really cute. And this was also $10. It is a medium as well, and this one was $69.50. Let's go ahead and give it a try. This is cute. I like this. Yes. This is really cute. Now, would I wear this to work? Yep. I will put a black cami on with it, but I will definitely wear this to work. This is super cute. I do feel the breeze, you know, with there being holes in it, but it's really nice, okay? It's not anything that's like revealing, but it makes your eye like it, you know, it like catches the eye. It's really cute, very classy, very comfortable. I love the sleeves. The fabric feels nice and soft, very thick, very rich, very Givenchy. You know, I love it. And so I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. I like this a lot. I would pair this with some blue jeans and some knee-high boots, or some ankle boots, something like that, but with a lighter jean, just to make the black pop out. And if you're not at work and you want to wear this for happy hour or something like that, I think that is perfect. So I love it. This is a go. On to the next one. I was going to do this one next, which is just literally a junior tee that was $10. It says free your mind. I mean, do I really need to try this on? Probably not. I'm not going to try this. It's just a regular tee. Okay? Free your mind, red writing, not a big deal. Not a big deal. So that's the 5th outfit, or the 5th shirt. So the next thing I wanted to try on was this skirt that I got. It is Alfani as well. It is so cute, but I'm worried, y'all. It's so big, right? Like, I'm a size medium, a size 8, but this looks like a large and it's supposed to be a medium. I only got this for $10 and it was originally $54.50, and this is called the Rouge Romance. I love this so much. It's so soft. It has a little slit in the back of it. I'm really hoping that it fits. So I'm going to try this on. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's too big. But I mean, it looks like it fits, but it's too big. Like, it's too loose. It's, oh, darn, I really like this. Look at that fabric, it's so cute. So the skirt is a no. It does not fit. It's too big, and it's definitely giving me like grandma vibe. Now, I'm not going to return it. I'm actually going to take it to my tailor and see if she can make it small for me, because I definitely want to wear this. It's such a good deal, and it's such good, great quality fabric. That's what I'll do. So this is a no for now. So the next outfit I'm going to be trying on, and it may be a fail, is this beautiful wrap dress. This is also Alfani, and I was so excited to get this. It doesn't look like, oh my god, but I was like, if I try this on, it's going to be fantastic. So I got it in the medium. This was originally $89.50, and I got this for $10. Do y'all hear me? $10, okay? And so when I pulled it out the packaging, I was like, it has beautiful pleating in the front of it. The fabric feels really nice. I was excited, but upon looking at it, this looks really big. This looks really big, and it looks like it may be a large. Like, that's pretty big. But we're gonna try it on, and hopefully it fits. If not, I will probably return this because I could not get this tailored. So here we go. Let's try it on. This is not what I was going for. Ooh, can you see? That's what I was talking about. Okay, yes, the dress is giving me grandma vibes, but wait, let me show you something. Right? So it looks like kind of like frumpy, then boom, bam. This is so cute if it would have fit. I like it. Like it complements my skin complexion and everything. I think it's really pretty. It's very busy. I'll come closer so you can see the fabric. This pattern is actually really cute. So it's like a pink color with the black spots on it. Okay. So on to the next one. This is also, I feel like, why did I get these dresses? All these dresses are failing me. And before you cancel me, and I know it looks weird, right? It's like a tie in the front shirt. You may think I have an old lady sense of fashion. I don't. Okay, maybe I do, but I like kind of like sophisticated, a little bit older, but then like cute and trendy. I don't know, this is just my style. When it fits right, it looks great. So I'm going to give this a try. It's a tie in the front, long dress. Again, I was thinking work in the spring, summertime. I can, like, you know, be cute for work. After hours, whole different story. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. The color is beautiful. I think it looks great on my skin tone. I'm not too sure about this part right here. It's definitely aging the dress, but I say it's cute. It's pretty long, which is great for work, but it's staticky. Okay, it's a lot of static going on. I'm getting stuck in time. All right, so I don't know. I'll think about it, but the price spoke to me. I want you to know that. The price spoke to me, and it made me make this decision, and that's why I have this dress. So we're gonna take this off, and the last outfit is the one I have been waiting for. This is the final piece. I'm going to give this a try on. There's no belt loops or anything like that. This is straight up and down pants jumpsuit. All right, let me give it a whirl. So far, so good. Oh, I think I lost weight or something, because I can't fit. Whoa, whoa. There's a lot of fabric, loose fabric going on in here, so I will be returning this. Unfortunately, I really wanted this outfit to fit, but it's too loose, like in a lot of places. And when you walk, you can kind of see like how loose it is. So not sure, but I will be returning it. This has been so much fun. I love clothes, and this has been something different for me. Instead of doing DIYs, which I will be doing very soon, I just wanted to bring something else to my channel. Fashion is my first love. I actually have my degree in fashion design, and some of you may know I used to model back in the day, and so I just wanted to do something fun and different that doesn't require a lot of thinking. So I hope you have enjoyed it. I will be back with another try-on haul very soon, and a DIY coming that you're going to love. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you stay subscribed, or make sure that you are subscribed. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. I hope your family is doing well. I hope you are doing well with everything that's going on, and I hope that I hope that I have made you laugh. So I forgot to mention the shoes that I picked up from Macy's as well. These are by Material Girl, and I got these for $24. And I forget the original price of them, but I know they were marked down pretty serious, and anytime I see a size 12, I am on it. So I got like a cream beige color ankle sandal. These are really cute, about a 3.5-inch heel, and these are a 12 medium. And unfortunately, I couldn't fit them. I am am going to be returning them, but I wanted to show them to you really quick. So the second pair were this brand called INC, which is one of my favorite brands at Macy's. I love them, and these were $24. Actually, no, these were $30, and I love these. Size 12. I still may keep these. A thick heel, which with some of the dresses and outfits that I got, this would have went perfect. This is not my typical style. I'm a stiletto girl, but I thought that these were really cute, and they were only $30. Such high quality as well. INC is a very nice brand, so I may or may not keep these. They were 12. I could fit them, but my feet were like right at the tip, so I may keep these, but I'll play around and I'll walk around in them a little bit before I make my final decision. So it is good to know that they do run in a size 12, but just know that their 12s are pretty small. So I just wanted to show you the shoes that I picked up as well.